Hey, this is Scott from Land. I just want to give a quick demo of the technology and what really sets our company apart and something that we're exploring further, and it's our battery swap in the vehicle. So Evan's going to demonstrate it really quick. So our vehicles have two batteries in them, and what the two batteries allow is for you to use one of the packs as a power system on the go. So you can pull one of the packs out. You could use it to power your computers, your phones, peripherals, and you can still keep one pack in the bike to get home. You don't have to worry about range anxiety. You could pretty much take this battery down to nothing with powering your tools, let's say your aerial drones or any of your toys or tools while you're out. You can put it back in the bike and you can ride home and still know that you have adequate range. So for us, what really makes us different and why we need to exist here is because we're going to keep expanding this battery platform, the battery swap, improve hot swap connectors, and really expand the company with all of the connectivity devices. And what better platform to do that than an electric motorcycle, because when you get there, you simply pop out the battery and take it wherever you need. If the technology gets old, we can refresh with new battery tech, and having this platform approach to the bikes and the batteries allows us a lot of expansion in the future. So this is where we are today, and we are going to keep improving this technology and keep expanding on the platform.